Hi friends, it's Smriti. Welcome to Pilates to feel your best. Today we've got an invigorating, quick Pilates routine that you can come to anytime you need a little pick-me-up. I invite you to focus your energy in feeling good in your body as it is right now and embrace your beautiful, amazing self. Let's get started. Come on down to the ground. We're gonna start laying down on the mat. Let's start sitting up tall with our knees bent, feet flat, and arms reach forward and roll the spine down, bone by bone, all the way down to the ground. Knees are hip distance apart, hands rest by your side, and open the palms up softly up towards the sky. Take a full breath in, filling up the lungs with fresh air and energy, and full breath out, letting the body soften down onto the ground. Inhale, breathing in energy. Exhale, letting go of anything that's not serving you today. One more time, closing the eyes, full breath in. Setting your intention for yourself here today to feel your best, to be your best. And exhale, letting go of anything that's not serving you today, any fears or worries. Letting go of your to-do list for now as you come here and be here fully present here and now. And open your eyes. Bring your legs wide as the mat for wide knee sway. Sway both knees towards me. Stretching the lower back, stretching the hips, keeping the shoulders soft, and sway the knees the other way. Feeling that stretch all along through the thighs. And if you need to, you can bring your legs a little bit closer if that feels better on your body today. So do a version that feels good for your body as we're warming up the body, the muscles in the joints, feeling the stretch throughout the body. You can add an alternating head turn. Turn the head opposite of the way the knees are turning. Keep the shoulders relaxed. And switch. Let's do 2 more each way. And let's go ahead and bring both legs back to center. Legs are hip distance apart. Bring the hands back to your side. Abdominals are drawing in and up. Bring your right leg into tabletop and then left leg into tabletop. Lift the head, neck, and the shoulders up. Flex the toes towards you. Bring your right leg in, left leg out. One hand by the knee, other hand by the ankle. And switch and hold the other leg. So right here, you have option to keep the head supported with your hand like so, or go for the hands on the legs. Modification also, you can keep your head down as you switch the legs. Drawing in and up. All versions are good for you. Just listen to your body and pick a version that works best for you. Modification's not necessarily always easier. It's what's working best for your body today. And switch, switch. Elbows are wide to the side. For more of a support for your back, you're going to reach the leg a little bit higher like this. For more of a challenge for your abdominals, you're going to go a little lower. And switch, lengthen, reach. Elbows are wide. Last one. Bend both knees in, rest the head for double leg stretch. Point those feet. Take a deep breath in and full breath out. Lengthen the head, neck, and the shoulder, drawing the navel in and up. Reach the arms and the legs out. Circle the hands to the side. Bend the knees and hug the legs in. Inhale, reach out. Energy going all the way. Exhale, draw the navel in and up. Modification, keep the head down as you circle out, around, and in. Open the body, expand, and exhale, fill it up with energy. Inhale, bringing in energy into your body. Exhale, drawing out all the air. Letting go of anything that you don't want anymore today. We're working on feeling your best, the version that works best for you, and to celebrate what we can do today. Out and exhale in. And reach 2 more. Last one. And in, rest the head. Lower the legs down, turn over sideways to face me for hot potatoes. Come onto your elbows, the head is resting on your hand. Swing both legs forward. Stack your upper body against the back edge of the mat. Bring that top leg up hip height. So from here, imagine there's a little space underneath your waistline. and you're lifting your lower abdominals off the mat. So from here, externally rotate that top leg and lift that leg up, flex the foot, and lower down. Reach the leg up and back. Lift and lower. Option 2, do an internal rotation if that's available for you in the back. So external in the front and then internal in the back. Open and reach. Keep your upper body still as much as you can. You can always change the range of motion on this movement to make it work best for you today. You can also change the pace in a way that serves you best, but keeps you moving forward and challenging yourself. And in. Feels really good on the hips, right? So we're opening the hips, adding mobility and stability while we're also strengthening those legs. All good things to feel your best. And back. Let's do one more each way. And back, and stack the legs. Swing the leg over, and let's go to the other side. So side lying position, and stack the legs from here. Top leg externally rotates, taps in the front. Lift and reach back behind you. Lift and lower. Lift, internal rotation. These kind of exercises are so good for also your pelvic health and hip health. And in. And when our body feels good, our mind feels good, it's all connected. Thank you for showing up today. You're doing an amazing job. Keep this great progress going. I'm with you. And tap to the front, tap to the back. Kick front and reach back. One more each way. And back. Bring both legs together. Turn over onto your stomach, then onto kneeling. Your wrists underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hip, or leg pull front. Bring your right leg back, anchored through your feet, and bring your left leg back. From your head to your heel, your straight line modification. You can be on your forearm in a kneeling or on a straight line position. So let's pick which one works for you today. If you're in this plank position, we're gonna go ahead and lift one leg up as you flex, reach back, and bring your body back forward. Switch leg as you go back and front. Plant those palms into the ground and really think about engaging the upper back to help you stabilize as we move backwards and forward. Last one. And up, lift your upper body up into this V position or upside down teaser. Walk your hands back towards your knees. Soften the knees and stack your spine back up, all the way back up. Standing long and tall. Come to the middle of the mat with your legs hip distance apart. Lengthen the spine up towards the ceiling. Hinge your hip back. Tailbone reaches back behind you, making sure that kneecap is over, both kneecaps over the ankles, and arms high five back. Reach the arms up as you straighten the leg, palms open up, making this letter Y, and lower yourself down, bending at that hip crease, high-fiving that back wall behind you, and open up, a big opener for your chest, and lower back down, high five, and reach up. So go to a range of motion for your hips and your knees that works best for you today. Each day is different, so listen to your body and focus your energy on doing what feels good on your body today as it is today. Let go of the need to be perfect and just embrace where you are today. Embrace progress over perfection. And back, opening back, keeping those knees soft, making sure we're not locking the joints here. And high five back, lift up. Last two. Last one, and back. Well done. Lower the hands back down. Bring your legs wide as the hips or even wider than the shoulders. So I'm gonna go a little wider from here. Bend the knees. The knees are over the ankles. So if you need to look down, go ahead and look that to make sure you're set up for alignment here to get the best benefit. And bring both arms out to the side. From here, bring the hands down behind your glutes And straighten the legs as you bring the arms up and lower. Lifting the arms up and lower. Modification, you keep the legs straight or still with the bent knee position and just move the arms up and down, or come with me for this ride as we go up and down. Either way is a good movement experience. You're creating energy, you're creating strength, improving your flexibility, mobility, and balance. This movement is so good for bone health as we're in this weight-bearing position. And up and lower. Last 3, 2, last 1. Lower the hands down. Heel toe, your legs back together, hip distance. Bring both arms up towards the ceiling and circle the arms back. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, stretch back. One more time. And rest the hands back down. Take a full breath in. Closing the eyes. Exhale, full breath out. And notice how your body feels. Scanning the body. Notice that sense of energy, heat throughout the body. And let's come back to that intention you started with, to feel your best and be your best. Take another full invigorating breath in and exhale, feeling good and strong. And open your eyes. Congrats, you did it. You completed today's Pilates to feel your best. You should be so proud of yourself. Let me know how today's practice went for you.